Is where I think practitioners need a different lens. Do not read SR 262 only as a compliance document. Read it as architecture. The document elevates four ideas that matter well beyond traditional model risk. First, materiality based oversight. Second, effective challenge. Third, aggregate risk awareness. And fourth, governance proportional to risk. Those are not just MRM ideas, they are decision system ideas. Materiality applies to any system that drives or shapes a consequential decision. If an AI assistant changes the way a credit officer reads a borrower, then materiality matters. If an agent routes a customer complaint, materiality matters. If a generative tool drafts model documentation that validators rely on, materiality matters. Effective challenge applies to any judgment that is delegated to automated processes. The challenge cannot stop at the mathematical model. It has to reach the prompt, the retrieval layer, the tool calls, the orchestration rules, and the monitoring logic. Aggregate risk applies because agentic systems are chains. A retrieval service feeds a language model. The language model calls a classifier. The classifier routes a case. The routing decision triggers an action. None of those pieces may look catastrophic in isolation. Together, they can become decision infrastructure. Proportional governance applies because not every generative system deserves the same control burden. A brainstorming assistant for internal training content is not the same as a credit memo assistant. A marketing copy draft is not the same as an agentic servicing system that changes customer treatment. So, the practical move is this: take the principles from SR 262 and extend them into the carve-out class. Not because the guidance requires it, because sound governance requires it. So I'll leave you with this in this segment. SR 262 is more useful as a blueprint than a checklist. Read it that way, and the carve-out stops being a problem. It becomes a design space.